Stupid starving. I mean, is it the name? I am stupid starving. Because right now I am the Spanish word for hungry. Or the Spanish word for food. I could literally eat a fully grown Spanish person right now.
What's your name, attention?
Are these lychees? I think it's lychees. You know the fruit? Lettuce you can eat. Keep saying lychees. Right now I have lychees. A whole bunch of lychees. Lychees? I get down to there are lychees. I use it there. Say something. I don't know. You know what? At all. I'm starving. I mean the lychee. Right. This is a bad idea. Why? Because, dude, you don't even know how good I am at catching food in my mouth. I'm also pretty good at catching food in my mouth. I feel like I'm probably a little bit better. Well, you said about everything, and you're almost always wrong.